The wife of state attorney candidate Jay Plotkin is demanding an apology from his opponent, Angela Corey, after comments Corey made Thursday night at a forum at Ridgeview High School in Orange Park. Corey accused Plotkin of moving his teenage daughter from a private school to a public school for political gain. Plotkin's campaign provided video of Corey's comments.
I'll tell you the difference. I'm running for this office as exactly who I am. A single woman who's proud to be a single woman, who loves all children, and who my niece and nephew are in public school and have been. I didn't take any of the kids in my family out of private school and put them in public school for appearance's sake. I didn't switch my political party less than a week before I opened my...
Corey responded today that Plotkin made his daughter an issue by referring to her attending a public school during his comments at previous forums. Her campaign provided video of those comments.
It is really my pleasure to be here today, and Ricky, I want to thank you and all the members of this organization for inviting Ms. Corey and I here tonight to help you to learn a little bit more about us. As Jimmy told you, I am a third-generation native of Jacksonville. One of the great things about being an assistant state attorney in the community where I grew up, in the community where my family grew up, is that I get to spend every day helping to make this a better community. My 97-year-old grandmother, who's still with us, graduated from Jackson High School. My mother graduated from Landon High School. I graduated from Wolfson, and the oldest of our three children is a freshman at Mandarin. I've been in the office...
As for Plotkin's daughter, she just thinks the whole thing's silly, her mother said. For more on this story, see tomorrow's Times Union. For Jacksonville.com, I'm Paul Pinkham.